Welcome back to the garage. I'm under the hood solo tonight, while Christian's out wrangling real-world RPMs. But with this much alpha pouring in, we couldn't keep the bay doors closed. Lulu the Crypto Pig squealed, the chart screamed, and I had to punch the ignition. Crypto market core. Bitcoin is breaking down faster than a busted carburetor. Price was grinding gears all evening, and by the time this chart hit the lift, it had dropped to 102,700 flat. Red candles stacked like junkyard tires. Lower highs, lower lows. We printed a new bottom at 102,640, and it's looking like a rusted frame with no shocks. This is classic mechanical failure on the 1-minute chart. We're talking full-on tailspin. Support might hold at 102,500, but if not, we're pushing this wreck to the side of the road. Ethereum's clocking in at 2,598. The whales shoved 117 million into it after the Pectra upgrade, and gas fees dropped to 8 gwei. That's practically clearance bin DeFi. If BTC can stop fishtailing, ETH might just shift into third and roar toward 2,800. Solana? SOL's not just moving, it's drag racing. Up 3.37% to 179.43, with 179.8 million in whale buys. It's the meme coin Autobahn right now. You want speed, volatility, and maybe some flames? You go Solana. Meme coins and midcaps. SLOP is the 56,000% gainer that smells like a burning clutch. It's an AI meme combo that popped out of pump.fun. Insane move, no fundamentals, risk, off the charts. PNUT is squirrel-themed chaos, supercharged by a Musk tweet and trading with 8 million in volume. This one's got Degens in the driver's seat. Star 10 was Ronaldinho's meme wagon, totaled on launch, then somehow limped back onto the track. 65% drawdown and climbing again. It's that weird car that breaks down, then wins the race. Other wildcards in the pit lane? Pipe, Nero, Mudeng. Meme machines with questionable brakes. AIX Crypto Intel. IXX Confidential AI is now running private machine learning models on chain. Intel Chip Tech. Quietly massive. Kite AI launched a brand new AI-focused Layer 1. Think of it as building a racetrack just for robot drivers. ArcListen is a DeFi assistant built in Rust. It's early, but it talks like a trader and moves like a bot. Lot of potential under that hood. And under the radar? AI-powered meme tokens like MIND of Pepe. They're lurking in pre-sales and might just explode out of the garage if this AI narrative catches a turbo boost. GameFi, NFTs, and ecosystems. Pixels and Illuvium are getting some rubber down again. Volume is kicking up, and now we're seeing AI-generated quest content, dynamic lore, and token activity. The next big play could be one of these games rolling out with AI-built adventures. Macro and sentiment. ETF outflows tell us the suits are pumping the brakes. 95 million out of BTC, over 5 million out of ETH. It's not a panic, but it ain't pedal to the metal either. Retail, on the other hand, is flooring it with both feet. Meme season is alive. AI tokens are smoking hot. Volatility's at full throttle. Technical Trade Watch. Bitcoin's 1-minute chart looks like the undercarriage fell out. We're scraping at 102,640 with zero signs of traction. Support's at 102,500, and if that doesn't hold, call the tow truck. Ethereum's revving just under resistance. If the market gives it some room, it's going to try to drift into the 2,800 zone. Solana is in full send mode. If it breaks 200, it might redline to 225. Volume is strong, sentiment is spicier than race gas. Cardano, or ADA, is trying to pop out of a wedge, targeting the 81 to 82.5 cent range. Not flashy, but sometimes the quiet ones win the lap. Under the radar alpha picks. Tao Inu is a Tao-themed microcap heating up. 97% spike in volume. This is the kind of coin you find behind the shop in a box marked maybe. MIND of Pepe is a wild blend of AI narrative and meme culture. The pre-sale crowd loves it. Could be a sleeper. Pipe has meme momentum but barely any LP. It's a turbo engine strapped to a lawn chair. Could fly, could fold. Final brief. What's real? Whale money is flowing into ETH and SOL. Ethereum is getting cheaper to use, and DeFi might be warming up for a new lap. What's urgent? BTC's got bad breaks. If it can't hold above 102,500, the whole market might hydroplane into the weekend. Meanwhile, ETF outflows suggest the big money isn't ready to redline. What's stealth? AI meme coins, AgentFi, LLM-powered game narratives. These things are quietly building horsepower. Lulu the Crypto Pig said it best this morning. She squealed at 4 a.m., and every time she does that, meme season hits nitro. Christian and I will be back in the shop tomorrow. Tonight, I'm just keeping the engine warm. Not financial advice, just greasy garage alpha.